So the threat of deepfakes. So where are we? So this is a sort of a schematic of what a system looks like, right? So you have your real world scene coming from the left. So that's sort of data, image data that's impinging on a camera sensor. You also have possibly other sensors, right? You're measuring sensors from the outside world, right? So you have this real scene imprinting itself, let's say, on this device. Okay, the data comes into the device, goes through the into, and then there's code on the device that's executed. Okay, and then in your typical cloud scenario, a data packet is then sent to the back-end server. Okay, so that's the general process. So you have the real world scene, the device, and the back end.
So this is
So
the general liveness workflow.
right, so well, this is a
Yeah.
general schematic of the data flow, you could say,
Right.
right? From the real world to the device to the back end server.
Right.
And
Yeah.
what does PAD deal with, right? So PAD deals with that front end, right? It deals with the image data or the sensor data or whatever is coming from the real world. That's what it deals with, right? So it's evaluating the character of that data. So we're talking about photos, videos, 2D, 3D, mannequins, Bonica spoofs, whatever that you want to think of in terms of facsimiles of reality, right? That are presented to the system. And we refer to this as a biometric attack.